Tired of wasting money on cheap junk that breaks in a week? We analyzed brutal testing data from top review sites to find home upgrades that actually work. This independent video is completely sponsor-free, with all product links in the description below. Stick around, because we're teasing a game-changing smart oil diffuser at number 6 and the ultimate portable power blender at number 2. Let's get straight into the countdown now. Create healthy, refreshing treats for your kids right at home. With these premium, BPA-free silicone ice pop molds, you can easily make natural popsicles using fresh fruits and juices. Highly flexible for an easy release, a breeze to clean, and perfect for hot summer days. Give your family the gift of healthy refreshment and endless fun. Scooping hard desserts results in bent spoons and painful, strained wrists. This heavy-duty serving tool makes serving effortless. Crafted with a solid zinc alloy head, it glides through frozen treats easily. The non-slip handle maximizes leverage, making dessert duty a painless experience for everyone at home. Waking up to a tangled mess of charging cords on your bedroom floor is incredibly annoying. This bedside furniture clears up that clutter instantly. It features built-in ports, letting you charge your phone right beside your pillow. You get a clean, modern, and highly organized setup. Craving sweet campfire treats usually requires a full outdoor fire, which is impossible during cold nights. This table heating device brings that experience right to your kitchen. Its flameless heating element roasts marshmallows to golden brown safely, making it easy to create sweet family memories indoors. Now, chunky shakes from standard cups are unpleasant to drink after a hard workout. This powerful cordless device allows you to make smooth beverages anywhere. It easily crushes ice and frozen fruit, giving you delicious drinks on the go. You get smoothly blended drinks on demand. Stale household odors or harsh sprays make your living space feel uninviting and cause chemical headaches. This ultrasonic wellness device offers a natural, highly effective way to freshen your home. Operating almost silently, it disperses a fine, cool mist of water and essential oils throughout your favorite rooms. Now, plain desk lamps do nothing to elevate your office. This floating wizarding decoration brings magic to your workspace. Utilizing electromagnetic technology, it floats and spins in midair above its detailed base. This design instantly transforms a dull desk into a captivating focal point you enjoy. Most cheap potato tools bend easily, leaving you with lumpy side dishes. This rigid kitchen upgrade solves the hassle. Its strong head easily breaks down potatoes or root vegetables without giving way. You get smooth, consistent textures in seconds, making your meal prep far simpler every time. An uninspired workspace can drain your productivity. This floating desk lamp adds an incredible touch of modern design to your home office. Using electromagnetic technology, the light bulb floats and spins gracefully. It powers up wirelessly, instantly turning any plain room into an elegant space. Standard home ovens cannot reach high temperatures, leaving you with soggy homemade pizza. This premium outdoor cooker changes your backyard game completely. This gas-powered unit heats up quickly to bake authentic stone-baked pizza in 60 seconds. You get crisp crusts, making family dinners far more exciting now. Sitting on damp ground or carrying heavy coolers at outdoor events ruins your relaxation completely. This heavy-duty folding seat solves both issues beautifully. It features a built-in cooler pouch in the armrest, keeping up to 4 cans chilled at your side. You get a relaxing seat. Standard ice cubes melt quickly, diluting premium drinks into a watery mess. These metallic alternatives resolve this issue without altering flavor. Made from food-grade steel, they freeze fast and hold a deep chill. They cool your favorite drink safely without watering it down ever again. Squeezing bulky suitcases around your passengers during a long family road trip makes everyone miserable. This waterproof rooftop cargo carrier frees up interior space instantly. Engineered with heavy-duty fabric and water-resistant zippers, it protects belongings from rain. You get a spacious cabin while your gear stays safe. Fumbling for keys while carrying groceries is an annoying ritual. This modern lock upgrade ends this by securing your entryway. It features options like a backlit keypad, temporary codes, and physical keys. You gain effortless keyless entry and complete peace of mind knowing your home is safe tonight. Fumbling down dark steps at night is a serious safety hazard. Installing wired landscape lighting is incredibly expensive. These compact outdoor step fixtures solve this problem without adding to your electric bill. They mount easily, charging in the sun and turning on automatically at sunset, creating safe walkways. Rummaging through cluttered cabinets to find a spice bottle slows down your cooking. This slide-out organizer solves this daily cabinet mess completely. This steel rack slides smoothly on a ball-bearing system, bringing spices directly into view. You save time during meal prep and keep your kitchen organized.
Tired of your favorite snacks going stale? Lock in the freshness instantly with the Feppo Mini Bag Sealer. This compact, battery-operated gadget glides easily across any plastic bag, creating an airtight seal in seconds. Whether you're in the kitchen, at the office, or on a road trip, stop wasting food and keep your snacks perfectly crispy. Seal the deal today.
Unpacking wrinkled clothes with only a hotel iron is a recipe for disaster. This compact handheld device rescues your wardrobe instantly. It heats up in 30 seconds, producing powerful steam that melts wrinkles away from fabrics. You get ready-to-wear outfits on the go, ensuring you look sharp. Wasting your energy with manual hand pumps to inflate flat balls is slow and tiring. This smart pocket device completely automates the process. It features a digital display, inflating sports equipment to the exact pressure. It stops automatically once reached, preventing overinflation so you can play faster. Stepping into wet or smelly boots in the morning instantly ruins your day. This heating device eliminates this cold, damp discomfort completely. Designed with intelligent heat circulation, it gently dries shoes and boots from the inside out. You wake up to dry, warm footwear, saving your shoes from odor.